Okay, so today we have an Ukrainian Geiger counter. It's from Bella. On the top there is a LED and a reset switch. There are two buttons, one is for sound on and off and the other is for power on and off. And you can see on the back side it's made in 1992, so post-Chernobyl. So here are the two switches, the Geiger Müller counter tube, a small beeper, some more IC stuff, the reset switch, the LED and a potentiometer. I guess it's for calibration. I bought it in 2021, just before you know what happened, and it was 60 bucks, 60 euros, so almost the same in US dollar. Now you can't get a hold on them anymore. It works flawlessly, more or less. Sometimes the 7 segment digits aren't fully there, but yeah. Maybe I have to do a recap on this one, change the capacitors. The counting works like this: you turn it on or you press the reset switch and then you wait. After some time the 4 dots disappear and you can read the result. Then you can start a new measurement by pressing the reset button.